today I'm gonna be making some slime. So, sorry if you can't see my face. Sorry if I dropped you. Okay, so first we're gonna be adding some of this sparkly glitter glue. It's over halfway used, but it's okay. Oh, this is gonna take a long turn. Oh. Okay, that's good. Okay, to close it. Oh, that's. So now we want to add our baking soda. We want to do it over our bowl. So if we get any extras, okay, that's a big scoop. And then you want to add some saline solution if you have some. So hold on, I need to get a spoon. Okay, I got a fork, and now, is it okay if I use this, Mom, to mix? Okay, so I have this plastic fork. So now I want to mix the glue with the baking soda. And so we want to mix it all in, and if you have a baking soda chunk, then you may want that to go away. This is how your slime should look. And now you want to add some saline solution. And now you want to mix it. And if that's too little, then you should add a little more. Don't overactivate it, or else that would be, oh, it's slime already. That was a really quick and easy little slime. So, if there are little baking soda chunks in it, then you may want to play with it a little bit and get those out before you do it all. So this is my little slime so far. Then it won't be so sticky in a second. It's probably just because my hands are warm, and you don't really want your hands to be warm if you're doing that. I have some glitter. I might add a little bit of glitter, but there's already so much glitter in it. So I might make a little more, because look how tiny this slime is. I'm gonna try and make a slime swirl. Guys, look. Slime swirl. That's what you do if you are a slime. Look, there's a slime swirl. Look at that crack. Wait. There's so much goodness in this slime. I found a totally special way to make your slime, and it's really easy too. I have some glitter glue. Besides this, I have some like glitter glue. I have some glitter glue here. And I might try it out next video. I might try it out, but this slime is really small. Because look at my palm compared to it. It's super small. And it didn't take up that much. Okay, this is overactivated. Look at this. You don't want that. Because it's bad slime. If you have that, that's really bad. Because it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be that like consistency. It should be a good slime. That's a bad slime. That's a little part of it that was in. I activated it a little more because it's a little too stretchy. And we don't want too much stretch. I might want to add some lotion. And if you guys have some instant snow, then you might want to add that in your slime because that would make it cloud slime. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to make this slime. I really would prefer this slime because look at it. It makes a great slime swirl. Okay, now let me show you. That's a great slime swirl. That is great quality. Wait, not quality, what's the word? Slime. Oh, that's so good. So, oops. Yeah, I would really prefer this slime. Because look at this. It makes a great bubble. You just need it big enough. Hold on. Oh, there was a... Okay, so wait. There's some ASMR. Yeah. It's good slime. If you guys want to make more, I would really prefer. Because look at this. It's a really good slime. If you get too much baking soda or stuff in it, then you may not want too much of it. Or if you get too much, it might get overactivated because these two actually go together. Because, yeah, they go together really good. So you may... Ooh, look at this. It's like overactivated slime. Look at this overactivated slime. So if you have that, throw it away. It's really bad. It's horrible slime. So let me throw this out. Bad slime. Okay. That's a good bowl. It'll leave like that in there, but hopefully I don't pick it up. Okay. I'm gonna try with this. I hope it works. Hopefully it does, because I just want to try. Slime is super good. I can't stop feeling it. I didn't dump out the bowl. Well, not dump out the bowl. I didn't wash the bowl, so you probably want to do that, or else you'll get some of the other color of the slime in there that you just made. None of it's coming out. Okay, it's coming out. It's kind of coming out. It's kind of coming out. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think that's enough. So if you want a tiny slime, you want that much. But if you want a bigger slime, then you should get a little bit more. Let me get some. do this part over the bowl so you don't get any out of the bowl. That would be a little bad, but you just have to clean up the mess. Now you kind of... Sorry if you hear that, just some anime. So now let me mix it. It's actually turning into slime a little bit. Just gotta mix it, get all that baking soda in there. It's probably because it was already a liquid. It's working, because it's actually getting thicker. It's becoming into slime, kind of. Put activator. Saline solution. It's working. It's working. You just need to, if you use this type, then you probably want to mix it for a few more seconds or minutes, because that's actually sticking off the bowl. It's just sticking to the bottom. That's really good slime. So, yeah. I have a little, it worked. This is good. It's just a little rippy. I can fix that. So if it's a rippy like that, you really want to fix that fast. Okay, so I'm going to mix these two slimes together. But this one's just so good. Okay, hold on. I'm going to get all the gold slime out. All the blue. I'm getting some blue in there. I don't want that. Okay, I'm just going to get this stuff out. Get all the gold out. Put it in the slime. I'm going to make one more blue. Just because, look how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm gonna make a little slime. Oh, like a squirt. Just not two, like maybe 2 squirts. Okay, come on, glue. See, that is so close to coming out. That's not enough. Come out. It's not coming out. Come. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, let it come out. Okay, just one more squirt. Get all of that out. Okay, just stay. I don't want to use all my glue. I mean, but it's okay if you use all your glue. Just don't leave too much in there. I mean, you should still use it. It's just that, yeah, you probably want to add that much amount if you're making this tiny slime, because that amount is actually pretty good. It kind of activates your slime, because see how it's not that liquidy anymore? You actually want that a little bit, because you don't want too liquidy slime. Oh no, some gold is getting in there. I don't want the gold in there. It's going to be a pretty blue slime. Okay, there we go. No more gold in there. I got all the gold out. No! The gold keeps getting in. Well, after this slime, I'm going to end the video. Let me grab this slime. Okay, it's good. Just squirt, 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 squirt. Okay, that's good. I've activated. So I got some. I don't. Oh, this is actually really good slime. It's just a little sticky, but that's okay. Because soft slimes at first are really sticky. But the first blue one surprisingly wasn't sticky that much. So that was good. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay, so this is sticky, but it's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on notifications. And make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Bye!